Gamer Foxy. You all know me. I already have 7 subscribers and I don't know how many likes. I need to tell you something, which is very, very important. Today in Puerto Rico, we had a flood, hurricane, and high winds. If you see on the Puerto Rican news, you will see that would happen today. Some of the Puerto Ricans lost their homes, lost their food, and lost their roofs. Some of them lost their lives, even their clothes. Some of them survived because they went to another country. Some of them just stayed here, but they still did survive. I was a Puerto Rican once, but I wasn't there to see any of the disasters. I've been there since I was born to 4 years old. When I grew to 5, I went here because my mother knew there was natural disasters coming our way. And if I were president, I would just make everyone go on the plane, even me. Even though that some of the planes might even crash, it still counts as lives are still being reborn. This is Yola Gamer Foxy, and this is very important news. Thank you for listening. I love you guys. Please subscribe. Bye bye.